very good. Seeing how it's turning out, every people. And yung songs na to were written as solo songs and were not really meant to made into a counterpoint. Ngayon, okay. Ngayon, yung counterpoint yung counterpoint rule na yon applies better dun sa ibang kanta. Sometimes nga masyadong shoot na nagiging parang walang nangyayari na, parang ganun na ganun. Kasi masyadong shoot. Ngayon, minsan din naman, piniga para mag-fit kagaya nung kay Sen at saka nung kay Bunny. Okay? Nasa opposite poles yun. Yung kanta ni Miguel at saka ni Sel, masyadong shoot. Yung kay naman, Sen tsaka kay Bunny, piniga para mag-shoot. Yung sa inyo, more or less, nice mix of yung degree of difficulty at saka sa dali. Pero still, again, your performance on Saturday is still a duet. If the duet, pagka as a duet, hindi siya maganda, delikado yun. Kasi pwedeng magkadamayan kayo ng score. Pero ito yun. Kung napakaganda niya as a duet, mas malaki yung chances, in fact, masasabi ko 100%, na parehong mataas ang makukuha ninyo. If it works as a duet. Naintindihan nyo? Pero if it does not work as a duet, hindi siya maganda as a duet kasi nandun na lahat yung mga criteria for pangit na duet yun, ha? Hindi sila nagkabit, ha? Very likely na dalawang mababang score ang makikita nyo or meron isa doon nag-suffer. So, mamili kayo. Saan kayo pupunta? Kung ako tatanungin nyo at may kadueto ako, doon ako sa pagagandahin ko siya as a duet. Kasi nandun yung chances na pareho kaming mataas ang makukuhang grade. Ganun yun. Sometime in your career, you would have to adjust. You will have to adjust. It's either you go higher or sometimes you go a little lower. But that process itself, yung paghanap nyo ng compromise, ay mahirap. It does not take away anything from your talent as performers. Naintindihan nyo? Hindi mawawalan ng ganito dito. Hindi puro solo. Nakita nyo na yan. So yun yung appeal. Narinig nyo na yung kadueto nyo, nag-apila sa inyo. Nag-apilahan na kayo sa isa't isa. Okay? Nasa sa inyo ngayon niya kung papakinggan nyo yung apila nung kabila. Okay? Bear in mind, if it's a good duet, both of you will get high scores. If it's a bad duet, one of you will get a high one, one of them will get a low one. Worse, both of you will get a low grade. Okay? Yun lang. Pero on my part, personally, Gawin nyo lang yung homework, gawin nyo lang yung kailangan gawin. Maganda tong Sabadong to. Maganda tong Sabadong to. The exercise kanina, it may have taken away from your actual practice of your duets. Diba? Maaring nabawasan. Pero may nagawa na yan sa loob ng utak nyo. Yung exercise, this concert na plinano nyo nung Monday at ginawa kanina, may nagawa na yan sa mga utak nyo that will come out on Saturday. Okay? Ganun. Okay, tomorrow may pagagawa ako sa inyo. Ngayon palang isipin nyo na, walang pressure sa aking maging ay, yung ganun